Samantha Cassiano, who gave birth to a baby who lived just 4 hours, broke down and became physically ill on the witness stand as she told the story of her doomed pregnancy in an Austin, Texas, courtroom on Wednesday. Her husband, Luis Villasana, rushed to the front of the courtroom to help her, during a hearing in a case challenging the abortion bans in Texas. Cassiano was one of 3 women who gave dramatic testimony about their pregnancies in a hushed and spellbound courtroom in the case brought by the Center for Reproductive Rights. The case, on behalf of 13 patients and 2 doctors, argues that the medical exceptions to Texas laws are unclear and unworkable for doctors in ways that harm patients. They also say that the state has done nothing to clarify its laws. The case is thought to be the first time the experiences of women have been heard in open court since the Supreme Court ended the constitutional right to abortion last June. In Wednesday's proceeding, which will continue on Thursday, lawyers for Cassiano and the other plaintiffs asked the judge to temporarily suspend the bans for people who have medical complications in their pregnancies as the case proceeds. State Attorney General Ken Paxton's office is asking for the case to be dismissed.